everybody, it's Phil. And there's world famous Bridget. Alright, this is a house in Varina we started about an hour ago. This side was completely green, completely filled with algae. And now, hadn't even been rinsed, it's looking beautiful. So it's going to look even better after it's rinsed. This thing's a beauty. We love it when they're dirty. And then you can see the shed. The shed was completely green, and now it's beautiful too. Hadn't even been rinsed. Here's the side of the house, back. Hasn't been rinsed yet. Looks beautiful. We're letting the detergent do all the work. Okay, it's Phil at world famous Bridget, Affordapro window and pressure cleaning. We're looking to work, keeping her busy. Likes to work. 804-402-3304.